RMS value of AC. In an AC wave, this is the AC wave. The value of AC voltage is continually changing from 0 up to positive peak, through the 0 to the negative peak, and back to 0 again. Here, this is the peak value, positive peak value. When you consider I on y-axis, time, t on the x-axis, I on current on y-axis, time on the x-axis. Pi by 2, pi value 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. RMS is defined as the square root of the mean square. Square root of the mean square or the arithmetic mean of the squares of a set of numbers. This is the definition of the root mean square. RMS value is the effective value. RMS value is the effective value. RMS value is effective value of a varying voltage. When the voltage is changed from maximum peak to negative peak, here the effective value of varying voltage or current. It is the equivalent steady DC value which gives the same effect. For AC current, the RMS value. For AC current, the RMS is equal to value of the constant DC that would produce the same power dissipation in a resistive load. That means output. For any AC current, RMS is equals to value of the constant DC when it produces the same power dissipation in the load resistance. Next, coming to the derivation of the RMS value of AC. Derivation of RMS value of AC current. Here we take IRMS square. IRMS square is equals to integral of 0 to t. Integral of 0 to t I square dt divided by 0 to t 1 dt. We know AC current I is equals to Im sin omega t. I is equals to Im sin omega t, where Im is equals to maximum current or peak current. Next, we substitute here IRMS square is equals to 0 to t. I value is Im sin omega t. We substitute here Im sin omega t whole square dt divided by 0 to t 1 dt. Here IRMS square is equals to integral 0 to t Im square sin square omega t dt divided by integral 0 to t 1 dt. Here im square is constant, so is equals to im square, take constant, integral of 0 to t sin square omega t dt divided by integral 0 to t 1 dt. We know here sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Integral of 1 dt is equals to t. Integral of cos a theta is equals to sin a theta by a. Integral of cos a theta is equals to sin a theta by a. These formulas we applied here. This is equals to im square integral of 0 to t. What is the sin square theta formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. That means 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2 dt divided by t limits 0 to capital T. When you substitute limits, upper limit minus lower limit, so t minus 0 it becomes t. T minus 0 it becomes t. So I am directly writing im square by t. Here 2 is common. 2 is common. So im square by 2t. Im square divided by 2 times of t. Integral of 0 to t 1 minus cos 2 omega t dt. Again integral of a minus b. We split here integration. Im square by 2t integral 0 to t 1 dt minus again integral 0 to t cos 2 omega t dt. That is equals to im square by 2t im square by 2t. Here again integral 1 dt t limits are capital T 0 minus what is the formula for integral cos 2 theta? Sin a theta, that means 2 omega t by 2 omega. Limits t 0. Again integral of cos 2 omega t is equals to sin 2 omega t by 2 omega is equals to im square by 2t. Here upper limit minus lower limit, it becomes t minus 0 t minus 0 minus sin 2 omega capital T by 2 omega minus upper limit minus lower limit sin 2 omega 0 by 2 omega is equals to im square by 2t t minus 0 t minus sin 2 omega t by 2 omega minus of minus plus sin 2 omega into 0 sine 0 by 2 omega is equals to Im square by 2t LCM 2 omega. Here 1 times of 2 omega. So 2 omega times t. 2 omega into t minus sine 2 omega t plus sine 0 value. What is the sine 0? Is equals to 0. Sine 0 is equals to 0. We substitute here sine 0, 0. Is equals to Im square by 2t we know omega is equals to 2 pi by t. Omega is equals to 2 pi by t. Substitute here in terms of omega place, we replace the 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t into t minus sine 2 into what is the omega? 2 pi by t into t. Divided by 2 into 2 pi by t is equals to Im square by 2t into 2 into 2 into pi by t. 2 into 2 pi by t. T get cancel 4 pi minus again here T get cancel. We get sine 4 pi. Here T1 sir is equals to Im square divided by 2 into 4 pi into 4 pi minus what is the sine 4 pi value? Is equals to 0. Sine 4 pi is equals to 0. We substitute that value here. 4 pi minus 0 that is equals to Im square by 2 into 4 pi into 4 pi. 4 ones are pi. 4 pi get cancelled is equals to Im square by 2. Im square by 2. What's the value it is? IRMS square. IRMS square. Then IRMS is equals to square root of Im square by 2. That is equals to root of Im square by root 2. Therefore, square root square get cancelled. Therefore, IRMS is equals to Im by root 2. Im by root 2. That is equals to 1 by root 2 times of Im. 1 by root 2 value is 0.707 into Im. So finally, IRMS is equals to, what you get? IRMS is equals to 0.707 Im. This is the RMS value of AC current.